Simple steps on how to be successful in affiliate marketing. So, you've made it. You're ready to get into affiliate marketing, right? Well, now is the time. You probably have a lot of inquiries on how to start and what to do, but no worries, this video has you covered. Listed below are some tips that will help you get started with your affiliate marketing plans. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. When branching out and promoting new products as an affiliate, you need to keep the same principles alive as with the products that initially brought you success. This means you shouldn't go with a lesser product just to expand your presence and to turn commissions. You do not want to tarnish your reputation. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. Now you are much more prepared when it comes to affiliate marketing. You thought that you were ready before, well, look at you, now. Hopefully, the tips that were provided gave you some pointers that will help you get started with your affiliate marketing so that you can begin marketing like a pro. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.